Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I'm doing a gorgeous black and white rose acrylic pour with some neon leaves. So to start off with, I've got a 12 by 12 inch canvas here and it is taped down to my cake spinner. And then I am filling up a larger cup with the colors that I want for the leaves. So I'm using primarily neons here. These are all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints. I am using a little bit of Pacific blue though for some contrast and some white. Otherwise I'm using electric pink, electric purple, and electric lime. And I'm filling that cup up to about 6 ounces. And then for the rose, I am simply using black and white. So I've got two 3-ounce cups here and I'm layering them with the black and white, filling them up about halfway each. We're not going to need to use all of this paint. For this technique, we really only need maybe 1.5 ounces total, but it's pretty hard to do a kiss pour with cups that are almost empty. So I fill them up a little bit extra and then I can save that paint for later. Now here I'm using a 4-inch bottle bottom. In my set of bottle bottoms that I sell, this is the largest one, and you can get these from my website. And I'm pouring my colors over this. Now I really actually didn't fill up the cup quite enough, so I ended up adding a little bit more to the cup and then pouring that over. So it all total was about 6 ounces for that part. I let it drain for a little while and then carefully peel off that bottle bottom and then immediately do the rose in the middle before that seals up. And the rose is a kiss pour, which is also a tree ring, and I try to do it a little bit wobbly so that that rose has a lot of character. Then I take a stick and pull it through the leaves, and I think that just makes a really gorgeous pattern. On this one, I was still worried about not having maybe quite enough paint, so I took a little bit of my electric purple and put that around the edge before spinning it out just to help that paint move. Now you do want to pour this as evenly as possible, but I'm a little short and my table's tall, so it often ends up being a little bit off center, which is okay. It's not going to affect it too much, but sometimes you might need to tilt it a little bit to get it a little more centered. Don't tilt too much though, because you don't want to warp the shape of that rose, and spin it as much as you want. Be very careful when pouring your rose that you only pour just a little bit of that paint, because it's going to stretch out and you don't want it to overtake your entire canvas. You want those leaves to be there, so just be careful not to overdo it on that paint. And here is a close-up of it wet. I actually really like this. I think it's really, really pretty. I will definitely be doing this one again. I think I can probably do it a little bit better. And I'm also going to be doing it in reverse, where I do a colorful rose with black and white leaves, because I want to see how that looks. And then here is a close-up of the piece dry. So dried beautifully. Colors are nice and vibrant. That rose is gorgeous. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you all next time.